Once Gandhiji was traveling in a train to Calcutta. He dictated a letter to his staff member and wanted to get it typed before the train reached a particular station on the way, as it was to be delivered to someone there. At that particular moment, his staff told him that he had not brought the typewriter. If there was another leader, he would have flown into rage, but Gandhiji simply said, "Whom I call a barber, I expect him to come with tools." What does this mean? This simply means that if you are known for something, if you are known for some work, and especially if you are appointed for some kind of job, you are supposed to be ready with tools, but not with excuses and reasons.